With so many people involved in the design and approval process, it is highly likely that something will be missed, delaying the design steps to make it into production. Not only that, but there might be a whole team of individuals who are relying on having the information on the design prior to it being released. With SOLIDWORKS PDM, the process can be streamlined and automated. Within SOLIDWORKS PDM, the movement of documents is controlled by workflows. In a way, they are a virtual roadmap of how a document can move through a control procedure. These workflows dictate which state a file is in, who has access to it in that state, and what they can do or not to that file. As the file is moved from a state to another, SOLIDWORKS PDM can automatically notify the next department that there is a file ready for review. Whether approved or denied, the workflow controls who's notified next. At the same time, revision properties are automatically incremented as a file reaches a certain state in the workflow. And this is how SOLIDWORKS PDM can take our designs through the approval process and into production without miscommunication and delays.